Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to explain how to import images into Photoshop layers. It's a very simple process actually. If you wanted to take an image from one document or from one Photoshop document and put it into another, the easiest way to do that is drag and drop. I'll show you how to do that. So let's say that we have this picture open here, picture of me into Photoshop, and we want to take a different photo from the same scene, let's say, and just create a new layer. You could really just take from your files onto here, and there you go. There's a new one. Okay, hit Enter or Return, and you're good. You got your new one there. Another way to do it is to go into File and go to Place, and then you can browse through your computer to grab a different image. You can also cut and paste, or if you're working with a different image that you already have open in Photoshop, you can simply select the layers and drag them over to your other document, and that will transport the images. So that's how to take one image and import it into Photoshop for editing. My name is Justin Conway, and I hope that helped. Thanks.